In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private listing on eBay. If you already have a draft saved and you want to make that listing private before publishing it, this process is quick and straightforward. A private listing helps keep bidder identities hidden from other users, which can be useful for certain types of items where buyer privacy matters. To begin, go to eBay and click on Sell. This takes you into the seller area where you can manage active listings, create new ones, and open saved drafts. Once you're there, hover your mouse over listings. A menu will appear with different listing related options. From that menu, click on Drafts. This is where eBay stores any listings you started but haven't published yet. In the Drafts section, find the item you want to update and click Resume Draft. That will reopen the listing editor so you can continue making changes before it goes live. If you have multiple drafts saved, take a moment to make sure you're opening the correct one. After the draft opens, scroll down until you reach the pricing section. Depending on the type of item you're selling and the listing format you selected, this area may contain additional settings related to how your item is offered to buyers. In that pricing area, click on See Pricing Options. This expands more settings that may be hidden by default. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just pause for a second and let the panel fully open. Next, click on Private Listing. This opens the private listing setting so you can enable it for this item. Then click the private listing checkbox to turn the feature on. Once that box is checked, the listing will be marked as private. Before you publish, it's a good idea to quickly review the rest of the draft just to make sure everything else looks correct, especially the title, price, shipping, and item details. That way, you won't need to come back and make extra edits after listing. When you're ready, click on List It. That publishes your item with the private listing setting enabled. And that's it. You've successfully created a private listing on eBay. If you're working from a saved draft, this is one of the easiest ways to update the listing before it goes live. Just open the draft, go to the pricing options, enable private listing, and publish.